Hello guys, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and in this video we will be talking about the 3 things to do kapag lugi ang VUL mo. So a lot of our viewers here and people online, a lot of people are probably frustrated or sad. Some are angry, wag naman sana, that their VULs are not performing well. So this video will probably help you decide what to do next in case bagsak yung market or bababa or lugi yung VUL mo. Alright, first and foremost, let's talk about the 2 general types of VUL. Meron tayong tinatawag na regular pay VUL, which is yung monthly naguhulog ka or annually naguhulog ka, di ba? On a regular basis, 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, 20 years to pay, etc. And then meron tayong tinatawag na single pay VUL. Yung one time ka lang maghuhulog tapos never again. Right? In AIA Philippines, we have a product called Money Tree. Minimum of 125,000, maglagay ka dyan, and then hintayin mo na lang mag-grow siya. Meron lang siyang 5 years na holding period. So a single pay acts like a mutual fund. So para ka lang naglagay ng pera, isang bulto sa mutual fund, and then ini-invest yun. Diba? And then whatever the performance of that fund, kasi sa single pay VUL, pipili ka lang din ng fund. Pwede mong i-split into 2, into 3, or isa lang. Ganon. Whatever the performance of that, no less the management fee of the mutual fund company, in this case, the insurance company, ibibigay sa iyo yung return na yun. If this performs 4% or 8% or 10%, 12% in a year, yun yung magiging returns mo less some of the fees. Diba? It can be high, it can be negative as well. Parehong-pareho siya ng mutual fund. The only difference of a single pay VUL versus a mutual fund is that meron tong insurance. Now, usually, 125% of your money, kunyari naglagay ka ng 1 million, covered ka ng 1.25 million. At least for Money Tree ng AIA Philippines, yun yung insurance coverage niya. Alright? Kapag naman regular pay VUL, it acts like a savings fund. Para ka lang nagsisave on a regular basis. It helps you build a habit. That's another thing na hindi mo nakikita na benefit ng VUL, right? Especially for the regular pay. In my videos about VUL, I mentioned that it helps you build discipline. That's one of the major benefits of investing or saving in VUL. So it acts like a savings fund, naguhulog ka dyan, nakakaipon ka. Pag tumubo, bonus na lang. For me, yun yung concept ng VUL kasi you're actually buying life insurance. You're covered, may cost yun. Diba? So, hindi naman naglagay ka lang dyan ng 2 years, 3 years, tutubo na kaagad because you're buying life insurance. Yun yung regular pay VUL and usually it's substantial yung amount. Hindi naman yan 125% lang ng pera mo. No, usually times 10, times 20, times 30, times 50 of your annual premium. Depende sa design ng product. So what do you do, no, kapag mababa or bagsak, lugi yung VUL mo? Especially for single pay products. Number 1 is wait until the market recovers. So you can just do nothing, especially kung tapos ka na magbayad, no, kunyari regular pay VUL, 5 years to pay, nagulog ka na ng 5 years, bagsak yung market, kalahati na lang or 30% down. What you can do is you can wait until the market recovers. As of the shooting of this video, around October 2022, the Philippine Stock Exchange is around 6,000 level. So ang baba niya compared to the previous high of 9,000 plus. Diba? We're actually down by about 33-35%. Diba? So, paano nga naman yun kung bumili ka noon at that amount, diba? At that price, kahit sa stock market ka maglagay, kahit sa mutual fund ka maglagay, bagsak din talaga. So it's not just about VUL. So you can wait until the market recovers. That's what you can do. Kung single pay VUL, depende kung kailan ka bumili. If it's higher, tapos ngayon lower yung market, you can wait for the market to recover. If you still believe in the Philippines, the Philippine economy, most likely it will recover. Right. Number 2, the second thing that you can do, the second option, is you can stop the bleeding and take the loss. Diba? Kung talagang ayaw mo na, takot ka na, then probably you can withdraw your VUL and it will be subject to surrender charges or withdrawal charges. Now, dun sa Money Tree namin, first 5 years meron charges, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, kunyari, third year na, so 3% charge pag nag-withdraw ka. No? So even if it's bagsak na, it's lower. Kahit kunyari 1 million, naging 800,000 na lang, less 3% pa yun. It's part of the contract. Ganon din yung mga regular pay VUL, yung 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, 20 years to pay. Usually the first 10 years may surrender charge. Pag winidraw mo, partial or in full, may bawas pa yun. Because the design of the product is for you to keep the money there para ma-hit mo yung goal mo. Right? But of course, it's your option. No? You have the free will to do this. You can stop the bleeding and take the loss. My very good friend Rohel Morales, one of our unit managers in our team in Starbright, will always say, no, kung bumili ka ng bahay na 1 million at ang bentahan ngayon is 700,000, ibibenta mo ba? 'Di ba? Yun ang ganda nung nung metaphor niya, no. Ganon din ang pera mo in the market. 'Di ba? 1 million ang pera mo, naging 700,000 na lang ngayon, ibibenta mo ba? Will you take the loss or will you wait for it to go up? So depende siguro sa need mo kung kailangan mo ngayon or hindi pa. Right? The third thing that you can do, the third option is called rebalancing. For me, this is the right thing to do. This is the best practice of the right investor. So meaning, ano ba yung rebalancing? Kapag down ka ng 20%, kung ano yung kulang, punan mo. Let's say you have 1 million pesos, down ka ng 800,000, you invest another 200,000 para maging 1 million ulit, rebalance. So that pag umakyat ang market, tubo ka. No, ganun yung mangyayari. Mafe-feel mo na, uy, tumubo ka. Kasi 1.2 million yung puhunan mo, naging 1.3 million na siya, for example. Kasi naka-recover yung market. You're able to buy at a low price. Ang ganda rin no, ng metaphor ni Rohel dito. You might have watched some of my videos where I was interviewing him in a lot of our training programs. Sabi niya, kung yung tindahan mo, negosyante ka, yung tindahan mo, nakikita mo, kukonti na lang yung stock, nababawasan na, tapos may mga umutang sa'yo, hindi pa nagbabayad, so hindi ka pa nakaka-recover sa puhunan mo. Pero kukonti yung stock mo, will you wait? No? Or will you restock? Magre-reinvest ka ulit to restock para mapuno yung tindahan mo. The right business owner will reinvest and restock. That's about rebalancing. I really like that concept because that's how it's supposed to be. Alright, so let me share with you the 4 powerful mindsets for successful investing. This is related to what we're talking about. If bagsak yung VUL mo, if lugi, bagsak yung investments mo, go back to these 4 powerful mindsets so that you are guided of the decisions that you will make. The first mindset in investing is that investing must be tied to a goal. Your investment should be tied to a goal. Ano ba yung goal mo? It's not always long-term, just like what other advisors or gurus would say, you just invest for the long term. Hindi ganon. If your goal is 3 years from now, magpapakasal ako, mag-i-invest ako. So invest in the right investment vehicle that you can withdraw and your money will grow in the next 3 years. If your goal is 10 years from now, mag-aaral yung anak ko sa college, right? Yun yung goal mo, then there will be right and proper investment vehicles that you can invest to reach that goal. So it should be tied to a goal and that timeline. Kailan ba yung goal mo? So that, ang tanong ko kasi, kung bagsak ang market ngayon, pero hindi mo pa goal, hindi mo pa kailangan yung pera ngayon, why will you withdraw? Right? So you can either wait or, better yet, invest more. Because the second mindset, powerful mindset in investing is that investing must be a habit. It doesn't mean naglagay ka ng pera once, tapos na yun, ganun na lang, investor ka na. Hindi ganun. Hindi yun ang tawag, di ba? Investing is usually a habit. You invest on a regular basis, monthly, pag may bonus ka, on an annual basis, pag 13th month pay, di ba? Pag bagsak yung market, you invest kasi mura eh. Di ba? Imagine you're buying houses, multiple houses or condominiums. And then yung inaayin mo na 5 million condo, 3 million na lang, naka-discount. Bagsak ang market. So meron kang condo, ang bentahan niya, dati mo binili ng 5 million, 3 million na lang, ibebenta mo ba yon? Or kung afford mo, bibili ka ng another condo para dalawa na yung condo mo. Right? Those are the things that you can do as well. Right? Investing must be a habit. You should be on a constant lookout of good opportunities. And actually, kapag bagsak ang market or lugi ang market ngayon, you should be buying. Right? So investing must be a habit. Kung ang goal mo is long-term horizon, 10 years, 20 years, 15 years from now, retirement mo, even 5 years from now, kung hindi mo pa kailangan yung pera ngayon, do not withdraw. Right? Iba, yung withdrawin mo, savings yun, iba yun. May separate ka dapat bank account or savings for short-term or investment for short-term na goals. You should have a separate investment for long-term goals. Right? That should be the goal na dapat mong gawin. The third mindset, and actually we can call it a rule in terms of investment, is that invest only in what you understand. Right? Do not invest in something that you don't understand just because your friend is investing. Right? Do your due diligence and understand it properly. Do not be afraid to ask questions. Do your research, ask questions. Right? If you have a financial advisor, ask questions. Diba? Karapatan mo yun to ask questions. More questions, the better. Right? If you have the right advisor, kapag kliyente ka na niya, advisor mo na siya, and you want to invest in the future, yung advisor namin, matatanong mo yun, maihingan mo yun ng financial advice. And this advisor will take care of you for a long term. So that's what you need to do. Invest only in what you understand. And if you don't understand, you ask questions. No, para matutunan mo siya na mas maigi. And I congratulate you for watching this video because you are dedicated to learn some more about investment or about your VULs, the things that you want, your stock market, diba? Mutual funds, Pag-ibig MP2, right? Whatever that is, your cooperative, the businesses that you buy. Now, those are different investments. So invest only in what you understand. Right? And the fourth mindset that you need to have, powerful, this is so powerful in terms of investing, is that do not make decisions based on your emotions. When you're emotional, do not make decisions. No, when you're being greedy or na-feel mo, you're being left behind, diba, yung FOMO, fear of missing out, kasi pinag-uusapan nila Bitcoin tumataas or ganitong investment, tapos nag-invest ka na rin, kumagat ka doon, tapos biglang nag-crash, you don't even understand, and then you're so emotional ka, you're being greedy or too excited, kasi nakiride ka doon, nag-invest ka, pagbagsak, dahil natakot ka, nagbenta ka naman. Diba? So, double whammy. Nagkamali ka sa pagbili, nagkamali ka sa pagbenta. Right? So, do not make decisions based on your emotion. No? So, and to manage your emotions, you got to do your research. You got to ask questions, watch more videos, right? Follow people, and those who are, you respect and you can learn a lot. If you're learning from this video, hit the like button and subscribe in my channel. Hopefully you can learn some more in my other videos. But do not make decisions based on your emotions. Right? So pag-aralan mo ng maigi, be logical in your decisions, especially pagdating sa investments. Mas okay pa na maiwan ka kaysa magkamali ka ng pasok. Alam mo yon? Diba? Kasi at least you don't lose the money, Right? So, for some naman, especially if you have a regular pay VUL, and then hindi ako single pay, regular pay ako, ano pa yung other strategies. So, these are the things that you can do as well. You can do top-ups, meaning kung tapos ka na magbayad, tapos feeling mo mababa yung market ngayon, you can top up, dadagdag yun dun sa investment side mo because you're not buying insurance anymore. So you can do that, para it will help you grow your account value. Second thing that you can do is, you can follow the concept. I'll share with you a different concept. Buy VUL, invest the difference. Hindi naman puro BTID or buy term, invest the difference lang. Because term insurance is not enough as an insurance. Diba? If your VUL is a wonderful VUL, it has different riders, especially health insurance riders or critical illness coverage riders. Treat your VUL as a life insurance, a health insurance. Huwag mo nang tignan yung investment part. And then, invest the difference elsewhere. Right? You invest in mutual funds, invest in the stock market. Gusto mo mag-Bitcoin ka, go ahead. Invest in different businesses, pwede. But do not withdraw your VUL. Keep it that way because that's an insurance. Baka may sakit ka na ngayon, hindi ka na insurable, hindi ka na makakuha, buti nakakuha ka in the past. So those are the things that you can do. And the third thing that I will share with you is you can also buy single premium VUL. If you like to stay with your financial advisor kasi naalagaan ka naman, it's just so happen, bagsak lang talaga yung market. Alright, so keep your VUL, and then buy another single premium VUL. So parang magka-separate siya. Itong VUL mo ngayon, down man siya or whatever, if it has a very good coverage, mataas na life insurance, magandang critical illness coverage, other riders, accident insurance, whatever, right? Keep it as a life insurance. Right? Tuloy-tuloy mo yung bayaran, keep it as a life insurance, and then buy another VUL, either a single premium, even a regular pay VUL, no, na really for investments naman siya. So ito pang savings to for the long term. Pag mag-withdraw ka, ito lang withdrawing mo. Ito hindi mo na ito withdrawing kasi bagsak na rin naman, di ba? This is really just in case something happens. No? Either you get sick or you die prematurely, something goes to your family. Right? So those are the strategies that you can do kapag bagsak or lugi yung VUL mo. So if you have questions, let me know. Leave the comment in the comment section. Send me a message. You can message me in my Facebook page. Just go to DJ Dimaliuat on Facebook or just type in facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat official. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. A lot of you people here are not yet subscribed. You're watching a lot. And I thank you that. Let's go ahead and subscribe in this channel. So see you again in my next video.